All right, you ready for this one? So the book's trying to be sneaky, and they're trying to get us to see friction in a roundabout way. So what they do to us here is they tell us they have height, so we know there's some potential energy. And if this potential energy is converted to velocity, it should all go to kinetic energy. So what they want us to do is find out how much potential energy we have at the top, and we're going to have a number. And then they want to find, they're going to have us do the kinetic energy at the bottom. I don't know why I put an equal sign there. At the bottom. And we're going to compare those two numbers. If those numbers are the same, we didn't lose any energy to friction, which they're calling thermal. And we said friction and thermal are the same thing. If those numbers are different, where did the energy go? It went to friction. So let's do this in a couple of steps here. Let's start out at the top. You have all this potential energy. So let's say it's mgy, and the mass of the kid is 20 kilograms. Gravity's 9.8 meters per second squared, and you're 3 meters high. You punch that in your calculator, you're going to get 20 times 9.8 multiply, excuse me, and you should get 588 joules. That's how much energy should be converted to kinetic. We don't know if that's the case or not. Let's go to the bottom. At the bottom, it's all kinetic. Yeah, I should have called this UG. I'm sorry. I'm old and I have bad habits. Leave me alone. All right. This is 1/2 mv squared. Let's figure this out. 0.5, that gal is still 20 kilograms, and she is going 2 meters per second. Remember to square it. Let's see if these energies are the same. If they're the same, there's no energy lost. It's no friction. 0.5 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 2 squared, and I get 40 joules, which is a lot less, yes? So let's say we had 588 joules initial energy. There's only 40 at the bottom. Let's subtract those, and we're going to get 8 minus 0 is 8, 8 minus 4, 500 joules of lost energy. Where was it lost? It was turned into thermal energy. That one's fun, isn't it? 548. Bye-bye.